Hey, Gleek.io fans. Today we're going to guide you through creating a state diagram for the student registration process. Start by launching app.gleek.io in your browser and ensure you're logged in. Hit New Diagram, choose State from the drop-down, and let's get started. Let's begin by illustrating the process's inception. Inside square brackets, type an O to signify the beginning of this journey. The journey kicks off at the start registration state. Connect the start symbol to this state using an arrow. As the process commences, students initiate their registration and transition into the idle state, a hub for various registration paths. Connect idle to start registration with another arrow. In our diagram, idle represents a composite state. To translate this into Gleek syntax, input a slash, followed by G, and then idle. Let's now delineate the processes under this composite state. Start a new line, hit Tab and type registration started to denote the process's inception. As students begin the registration process, they encounter a critical decision point, selecting the course type for registration. Create this choice by adding an arrow after the registration started state, typing registration type, followed by 2 dots, and choice. Note that the title won't display but is pivotal for further connections. This choice leads to 2 concurrent paths: regular course registration and online course registration. We'll represent this in the diagram by connecting registration type to regular course registration, using a dash arrow sequence labeled as regular course. Additionally, we'll establish a connection from registration type to online course registration by indicating online course within the arrow. Once both options are in place, we'll proceed to address each track individually. To introduce the initial concurrent state, enter a slash followed by G and specify regular course registration. Students choosing this path proceed by submitting their registration form, initiating the system's verification phase. Following this, indicate Submit form on a new line, followed by an arrow leading to processing registration. The culmination involves students making the course payment, concluding this flow with payment received. The online course registration serves as our second concurrent state. On the next line, enter /G and specify online course registration. Conversely, students choosing this option fill out an online form. Upon form completion, they enter a waiting phase where their application awaits approval. Finalization of this concurrent state occurs upon receiving approval. The culmination of both tracks is the registration completed state. Connect idle to registration completed. Post-registration, students confirm their details, progressing to complete registration, culminating in an order confirmation. To signify the process's conclusion, use the same symbol as the start, indicating the end of this journey. And there you have it. Our student registration process state diagram is complete. Explore Gleek's new diagram types like Gantt chart, state, and user journey diagrams, and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Stay tuned for more video tutorials.